Welcome to Blogfiti, blogging for beginners.
Hey guys, it's Kelly here with Blogfiti, and if you've ever wondered how people get their domain pins to show up at the top of their Pinterest profile, today I'm going to teach you how to do that. That is called a featured board, and it's really easy to set in Pinterest. So the first step would be logging into your Pinterest account. We can see that I've already done this. The next step is to click on the ... up in the upper right hand corner. In the drop down menu, click on Edit Settings. Then scroll all the way down and you can see the Featured Boards area. Click Edit. Now I only want my domain pins to show, so I've only used one of the slots for my blogfiti.com domain pins. But if you have multiple boards you want to show off as a featured board, you can set up to 5. So let's keep the blogfiti.com, and let's also set up blog tips, and let's do WordPress tips. So now I have 3 of the 5 available slots filled. Then we're going to click Save. Now we're here back at my profile, and you can see that instead of just having Blogfiti, it now carousels through my various featured boards. So there's Blogfiti, that's in slot 1, Blog Tips, which is in slot 2, and WordPress Tips, which is in slot 3. And if a potential viewer wanted to scroll through them all by themselves, they could just by clicking this arrow here. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.